Welcome back. Today we'll be looking at the Apollo A-4 by XL true wireless headphones. You must be wondering what this XL company is, right? So before I get in the review, let's talk about XL. XL is a smart home appliances and devices manufacturer, mostly targeting the Middle Eastern region. You would find this a lot in the UAE, and I've been seeing it lying around in many supermarkets in Kuwait as well. They have a wide range of devices from smartwatches, earphones to scooters and whatnot, but at a very affordable price. So this got me curious, and I was wondering, why would someone make devices this cheap? And to see their target audience is the masses and the budget audience. So I broke down one of the devices to see how it would fare in comparison to what we have out there today. So the headphones that we'll be looking at is the Apollo A-4, which only costs less than even 3KD. Now, this headphones does look great on the outside, has a ergonomic design, also is true wireless, has a very minimalistic and modern design factor. Besides this, it also has a good battery life. It has additional 3 times charging with the case, and also 15 hours of standby time, which is pretty impressive for such a device. However, if you're paying for something this cheap, then it does come with a few downfalls, and one of its cons are a pretty decent sound quality. I wouldn't say it's the best, it's okay for the price. The case though looks slimmer, can be a little bit bulky if that might bother you, and also the build quality is pretty cheap, so it's like plastic. I believe dropping this once from a decent height will definitely cause cracks or damage the device. Anyways, XL have been putting out so many devices, and I am excited to try these and see what they are bringing to the market. Until then, if you like this review, leave a thumbs up and see you in the next one.